Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to compose a message in Gmail, and also to show you guys the difference between carbon copy and blind carbon copy. How to make use of carbon copy and send message in Gmail, and how to use blind carbon copy to send a message in Gmail. So I want you to follow this video to the end and then like and comment below. Thank you.
Alright, once you open your email, then the next thing you have to do is to go to what? Compose. Click on what? Compose. Once you click on compose, it will now open. Now this is the box where you will write your letters and any information you want to send. Then you can put it here. You can put your information in this area. So let's say I have this information, this letter I want to send, have this here. Maybe you type something like this to send, you want to format it. What you have to do is to go towards the formatting option. You see this place, you click on formatting option so that the formatting tools will now come out. Maybe you want to bold this letter, you can click on what P. It's now bold. Now if you also want to change color, it's still the same process, you can change it. So the most important thing here, sometimes when we are sending a message, we made a very big mistake. Let's say this is a company letter. I want to send this letter to maybe 15 or 10 people to receive this same letter, and if I send this letter using this option, carbon copy, this is known as carbon copy. If I use this option and send this letter to various people, they will see this letter and each of them will see email of other people. So this letter now will expose their email. Everyone will see each other's email. But if I want to send this letter to 15 or 10 people and I don't want them to see each other's email, I don't want them to know that I send this email to other people, I don't want them to know that I send this email to other people. I will use what? Blind carbon copy. This is not blind carbon copy. So when I will use this carbon copy, if I want to use this carbon copy and copy some emails here, first of all you have to put email here. Let's say I have this email, but one email will be in this option. Then if you want to copy it to another people, which is what in this area, you will use a carbon copy, which is if I want to send this email to 10 different people and I want them also to know that I send the same letter to other people, then I will use what? Carbon copy. But if I want to send this letter to 10 different people and I don't want them to know that I send it to other people, I will use what? Blind carbon copy. So that's the difference between this blind carbon copy and carbon copy. If you want people to see that you sent the same email or the same letter they receive to another people, you will use this carbon copy. So but if you want to make it, but if you want to make the message private, you don't want them to know that you have already sent the same message to many people, so you use what? Blind carbon copy in this one. So in this area, let's say one two first, I'll use like another. So in this case, I just want to send the email to two people, and I want them to know that I sent the same email to other people, because once they receive this message, they will also know that the message was also received by other people. But if I don't want them to know that this same message was received by other people, I will use what? Blind carbon copy. So that's the difference between these two. Whenever you are sending a bulk message through email, you have to be very, very careful the option that you choose, because some people might like their information or their email address to be private. If peradventure they need their email to be private, then you use what? Blind carbon what? Copy. But if you are the manager of the company, you want to send to every staffs in the organization, then you use what? Carbon copy, which means each and every one of the staffs will know that other people also receive the same email they received. So this place is known as what? Subject. It's known as this thing. You can put a subject offer as the letter, as the subject. Then after doing all these things, then you can click on what? Send. Then the message will now send. Okay. So for you to understand what I'm trying to say, now you click on the word sent item to know if other people receive the same. Then you go to this arrow and click on this arrow. You will see how many people that receive the message. You will see that this person received and this person received. But if peradventure I use blind carbon copy, you will not see this email address. I'm just exposing this email address because I want them to know that other ones receive it. So that's the difference between what carbon copy and what blind carbon copy while sending your email. All right, thank